Welcome back to Nelson's Wireless. Today I'm diving into 5 important iPhone privacy settings you need to change right now to protect your personal information and keep your data safe. Let's jump right in. First up, limit ad tracking. Apple uses your activity to serve personalized ads, but you can turn that off. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Apple Advertising, and turn off personalized ads. This reduces the amount of data advertisers can use to target you. Next, let's check who's tracking your location. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Location Services. Here, go through the app list and change unnecessary permissions to never or while using the app instead of always. No need to let every app know where you are 24/7. Coming in at number 3, background app refresh. Apps running in the background can quietly access your data and drain your battery too. Head to Settings, General Background App. Refresh and either turn it off completely or limit it to Wi-Fi only. Number 4. Stop sharing iPhone analytics. Apple collects usage data to improve their services, but you don't have to share it. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Analytics and Improvements, and toggle off everything you don't want shared, including data to app developers. And finally, check your mic and camera access. Some apps request access even if they don't need it. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Microphone and then Camera, and review the apps listed. Turn off access for any app that doesn't truly need it. And that's it. 5 quick privacy settings that give you way more control over your iPhone and your data. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Nelson's Wireless, and share this video with someone who could use a little digital privacy boost. Stay smart, stay secure, and stay awesome.